Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's 2019 and yeah, we're heading up the hills to shoot my brand new intro video, which you guys will see very, very shortly. Yeah, you might have noticed we've got a brand new name. No longer Morphine City. We're moving on from that and you'll see why right now. Let's roll the intro. Right guys, so as you can see, we are now Redzone Rider. Big changes to the vlog from now on guys, big changes. First of all, hey Nick! Hello? Is it working? That's right, Nick now has his GoPro mic'd up, so he's rocking the Hero 5 running in 4K 30, and I'm running the Hero 7 in 4K 30 as well. Right now I'm shooting in 4K 60 so I can get some nice, sick slow-mo shots as we go up the hill, because that's right, the intro you've just seen, about to go record some shots up there with the GoPro, with the drone, with the DSLR. Alright, let's get up this hill.
When I let you go, ooh, I just pulled you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave.
Alrighty guys, so the reason we've come up here, sun is setting, golden hour, perfect time to get some excellent footage. So we've got a few shots to get. First things we're going to try and get are of the bike itself. So I'm going to go park up somewhere nice. Then we've got a few road shots to get, and then we've got some drone shots to get. So let's see if we can pull it all off. I've got about an hour till sunset realistically. So we've set at 9:20, it's 8 o'clock now. Let's get up here, we've got to get across this pass on the other side where it's nice and sunny, and then we'll see. There we go. Now if you're wondering about the name change guys, Redzone Rider. Okay, so a little bit of backstory. Where I'm from, Christchurch, New Zealand, had an earthquake 2011. 140 something people died. 140 people lost their lives in the Christchurch earthquake, and yeah, here we are. We're coming up on the 8th anniversary of the earthquake in just about a month's time. And yeah, it affected a lot of people's lives. It basically shut down our city for quite some time, and we basically had the whole city centre blocked off, and it was called a red zone. Whole other residential areas were shut down as well, and they too were called the red zone. So yeah, we still have a red zone now, which is just a massive grassy area with empty streets running through it where houses used to be. And yeah, because of that, and because of how much of an impact it's had on my life personally, I've decided to rename the channel and try and come up with a name that's more relatable to me as well as to motorcycling. So there we have it, Redzone Rider guys. Cool, it's going to take a while to get used to, but goodbye to Morphine City. Morphine City has been my online handle since I was like a 13-year-old emo kid. And yeah, it's time it goes. It's probably not a good thing for me to have a name that associates with an opioid. Not that I knew what that was when I was young back then. It was just a lyric from a Smashing Pumpkins song. But hey, here we are, Redzone Rider. We're shooting our new video. 4K videos from now on guys. We're ditching the 1080p videos just because they've been rubbish. A whole lot of noise you get in the road and all that sort of jazz. 4K, 24 frames is what we're going for. Nice, beautiful cinematic shots. A few more things I want to do to upgrade my gear, so I want to get some ND filters for the cameras. But other than that, the sound is awesome now. Nick's obviously got his microphone set up. We've already gone and shot a video with him already, so that'll be coming out after this one. But yeah, a few more antics riding around with Nick that we can actually record now, because I can record his voice for a change, clearly, instead of through my comms, which kind of worked sometimes when it wanted to, and other times it just didn't work. We're pulling over here, okay. The annoying thing is I'm literally stopping around this bend, but it's okay. So 4K content from now on guys. I'm still going to keep up with the tutorials, the installs that you guys love on the good old Vulcan S here, but a lot more motovlogs and a lot more antics. I wouldn't say pranks, but we're going to be going around and just interacting with the public a lot more on the bikes. So hopefully you'll get a kick out of that, and I guess you'll see what I mean when those videos come out. But until then, we are up here to try and film my intro and that cloud does not look good. It's quite windy, and I've got to fly a drone and film some shots of this bike in the sun before it goes in 1 hour's time. Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, this is the spot. It's busy, but let's do this. Alright, so in my little bag of goodies here, I've got a tripod, which I need right now. And I've got, man, it's actually quite cold, that wind. It's a Phantom 4. Guys, if you ever buy a drone and you do motovlogs, don't get the Phantom 4. Mavics didn't exist when I bought this thing, but it's too big. Buy a Mavic Air or a Mavic 2. Right, let's shoot some footage. Switching to the DSLR.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Jeepers, alright. We've been here for a good half hour now. I've got the camera set up down the road. Drone's on my back. It's absolutely beautiful and I'm out of breath. Jeepers, okay. Turn round, which is very dangerous right now because everyone speeds. Here's our little spot. Alright, that'll do it for drive-bys. We'll just hope and pray that was okay. Jesus, alright. Let's pack this up. Good job, camera. This is what you gotta do. This is behind the scenes, guys. Like, holy crap. I'm puffed from running around trying to move the bike and move the camera, and oh my gosh. Shots of me taking my gear on and off. That's it done for DSLR though. All we have now is more GoPro footage on the road, but yeah, we're all tickety-boo, and we're off to fly the drone. Alrighty. Now, you can go 100 on these roads up here. I think it's still 100 up here. On the main hill up the road, they've slowed the speed down from 100 to 60, which definitely needed to happen. But yeah, people still cut corners here big time. And if you're on the other receiving end of that, we all know what happens. So, yeah, I don't like to be stupid around these. Yo-Yo, on the other hand, that girl knows how to frickin' corner. Shout out to Yo-Yo Tools, guys. You can see her in my recommended channels. another local Christchurch, not motovlogger, FYI. She rides bikes and makes videos, but she's not a motovlogger. Just so you know, just so you're fully aware. Coming up this year, guys, we have a lot of hopefully really interesting rides. We'll be getting out there, hopefully doing a bit of camping on the bikes as well, a bit of touring. I've got a couple of other motovloggers in and around the country that I want to do meetups with and collabs with, so there is that as well. All about the community. And yeah, guys, I might as well end it here with some shout outs. I just want to have a big shout out to all of you guys, first of all, for supporting the channel. If you're not subscribed already and you're enjoying this video so far, maybe go back and check out some of my older ones. They're okay. They're going to get a whole lot better. I mean, they're not going to have fancy transitions like this, but all the new ones will. So come and check out these. Feel free to subscribe, guys, if you are enjoying it. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. It means the world. I'm super motivated this year, ready to pump out some amazing, fresh, 4K, crazy edits. It's going to be good. Cinematic motovlogs, guys, that's what we're doing. Dual vlogs with Nick, and more tutorials and installs coming for the Kawasaki Vulcan S. A few more shout outs, guys. Want to give a big shout out to Lucky up in Wellington. He contacted me through Facebook and said that thanks to my videos, I inspired him to pick the Vulcan S. After a decade, he's getting back into riding on a Vulcan S in New Zealand, originally from India, I believe. Yeah, Lucky, shout out to you, man. Thanks for getting in touch. I really appreciate the feedback, and yeah, enjoy the ride. Hopefully we'll get to see you one day. Next shout out, of course, needs to go to Nick for coming out all my rides with me. He's not out with me tonight, but nine times out of 10 he is. So now he will be mic'd up in future, guys. So you'll get to hear his lovely angelic voice, and we're gonna make some sick videos. Next up, I need to give a shout out to the real T-Dog. I don't think I'd be here without him, basically. I was making normal vlogs in my city with just my friends, sticking around just for myself. I just enjoyed making it. I enjoyed watching other vlogs and stuff, and then I started watching motovlogs when I started riding with Nick, so he got me into riding. But it wasn't until I started researching what bike I wanted after my old Marauder, Suzuki Marauder 250, when I came across the real T-Dog's videos, and I was looking at the Yamaha Bolt and the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Those were my two bikes that I was looking at. And yeah, man, if it wasn't for you, the real T-Dog, dude, I don't know, I don't think I'd have this bike right now. I don't think I'd have all you guys watching, and I am just super grateful for your support. You're a great YouTuber. I enjoy your content, man. Can't wait to see more from you. Get your ass back to New Zealand so we can hang out, right? Promise me. Another couple of shout outs to the guys in the KVSR Facebook group, guys. If you're not already a member and you own a Vulcan S or are thinking about getting a Vulcan S and you've got questions, instead of asking me, even though I will do my best to answer in the comments below, yeah, come on the Kawasaki Vulcan S Riders Facebook page and yeah, ask us anything. There's a whole bunch of us on there, and awesome page. I'll link it down in the description. Swear by it. And that's where I found a couple of other YouTubers and just other members that have helped me along the way. So you guys may know that I've actually gotten rid of my Dan Moto. It was too loud for me. Too loud for the vlogs was an issue as well. So again, I think I need to thank Devin for giving me the information about drilling my stock exhaust. For now, it's going to do the trick. I'm still planning on getting the Arrow Rebel exhaust, which, this leads on to another one, Uncle Red Devil on YouTube. Another Kawasaki Vulcan S motovlogger. Need to give him a shout out. Actually, just asked him recently if I could use a sample, audio sample of his Arrow Rebel exhaust for the intro you would have seen at the start of the video. So if you go back and listen to that exhaust sound in there is actually Uncle Red Devil's. So shout out to you, man. I'll be chucking you in my related channels from now on, because I do actually really enjoy watching your videos. It's a good change of pace from my fast-paced cinematic nonsense. It's nice to sit back and listen to your very sensual British voice, and oh, it's just delicious. And yeah, instead of me running my mouth off at 10,000 miles an hour, it's a good change. Saw some scooters, I almost gave them mods. But anyway, guys, that has been, see, look, Redzone, it knows. That has been it for today's video. I'm going to finish it off here with some of the drone shots I'm about to get. As always, guys, I've been Redzone Rider. Again, that's going to take a while to get used to. Have fun, stay young, and peace.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.